Hello my crafty friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna play with the Spellbinder 30 days of Craftoween and specifically with day number 7. Now I've been doing a challenge in Instagram for is up for Craftoween. So every 2 days, every other day we post a card. And today I'm gonna make a video with my card. Now the funny things of my cards, they are not Halloweeny. I challenge myself to use the Craftoween calendar, not calendar, but kind of calendar, the Craftoween set, just to make cards that they are not for Halloween. So far I made 6, of course, and this is day number 7, so I hope you enjoy. So I started with building the books that they are in this die set, and I make them of actually I made already all my books. I made quite a few, but I'm just showing you now how to assemble. They're quite easy to assemble. So there is one book that you need to just attach the pages, let's say, and then there is another one, this one that is got a side as well. So I die cut in 2 shades of pink, and it comes as well with a tiny little bookmark that is adorable. So I just attach that one as well, and then you can stack them. I absolutely love this die set. You can use it all year round for a lot of different things. And here are my stack of books that I already made. I think they're quite sweet. I'm going to use those one for another card. And those one are ready to be attached. Now I'm using, because I want to make a birthday card, I'm using a die set from a previous, this one is from a collection from Spellbinders. It's the classic POOH birthday set, and they come with this adorable little banner that I use quite a lot. And I cut the little banner details in 6 different colors. So I got quite a lot, and I made quite a few that I'm not gonna use today. Today I'm just gonna use 2 of them. So I show you how to assemble. It's super easy. So the dot ones, they go only in 3 specific banner, and the stripy one again go in 3 specific banners. So is the direction of the point is different. I don't know if I make any sense, but it's super easy to assemble anyway, and it cut all together. You can have them all the same color if you want to. Don't need to do like me, the 6 different colors, but I do like the fun, colorful banner, so I don't mind at all the extra work. Now I just attach the green one, and then the last one is gonna be a blue stripy one. And it's adorable. I really love this little banner. I guess I could have speed up this process a little bit more, but still. Anyway, this is the final banner, and look how cute, so colorful. I love it. Now time to prepare my background. I'm using watercolor cardstock. This one is from Spellbinder. It's nice and thick, and this beautiful die that is from a die set called, I need to check, but it's from a very recent collection from Spellbinders. I'm gonna list it below, and it's super cool. It gave it this really cool effect. And another cool one is this one. This is one of my favorite embossing folder, very recent as well. This one is from Suzanne Yu Design, and it's called, I think it's called Pimbles? Pibbles? I don't remember, but look how cool is this texture. Pimple. I think. That's what I call, I think. But it's beautiful. So I'm just gonna pair them together. This lovely background with my die set that I just remember called Linear Touch. Linear Touch Rectangles and Dies, that's the name. And I'm just gonna attach directly to my card base. I have some color card base that I decide to start to use because otherwise I will never use them. So I'm just gonna attach my lovely panel to my card base. That is the same size, so easy to align. And now that I've got my base, I'm gonna start to put my items together. So the card is gonna have the book on one side, the stack of book on one side, and then on the other side I'm gonna put my sentiment that is from Storytime Gnome. That is an old stamp set from last year that I love so much. I'm a very, very active reader. I read a lot, so I do love anything related with books. Now I'm gonna make my bookmark using the arch, linear arch. And what I'm gonna do, I took a strip of watercolor cardstock, the same cardstock as the panel, and I'm gonna attach my little tag just on the one side. I'm gonna align on one side, and I'm gonna do some partial die cutting. So I'm just gonna put my my tag on the cutting plate, and then the top one I'm just gonna put not all the way, just so I'm just gonna cut the top part, if you know what I mean. There you go. That's what happened. And now on the other side, once I decide the size, I need to actually double check. I should have done that before. Let me see. So I want it to fit like that on my card. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna align again the same tag at the bottom, and I'm gonna do again partial die cutting, this time from the bottom. So it's actually very easy to do. So you can extend the dies to the size that you actually want. I do it all the time. Now go back on my Scout, and inside you go. No need to go all the way so you don't get any marking. And that's it. And now what I need to do now is just to trim the excess. I'm gonna use a small my small T-Moles guillotine that I adore. I use it so much. I don't always film it, but I definitely use it very often. So just align and zack, done. The other side as well, just align top and bottom and cut. And you got your long elongate tag. That came out perfect. I don't know, probably you can't see. There you go. Now I'm gonna use the same stamp set, the same stamp that I used for my card base. I'm just gonna, same one. I'm gonna use on the tag as well. So when you remove the tag, you still have the same sentiment on the card. I don't know if it make any sense, but so what I'm gonna do, checking the spacing as well to where put my, I'm gonna stack my book on the tag over there. There you go. So I need to center my sentiment between the banner and the books. So that's why I'm taking a bit of time to sort this. I'm gonna speed up. So otherwise I'm gonna stay here forever. There you go. Once I decide the position, I'm just very gently lift it up, move it where I need it, and I'm just gonna remove everything else and leave my tag. And to stay in place, I'm just gonna put some tape on the side, very low tack tape, because it's very easy to rip the watercolor cardstock. I'm using VersaFine ink and Onyx Black. That is my favorite for sentiment because it gives a fantastic result always. Now the watercolor cardstock is quite textured, so I'm doing like 3 or 4 times just to have a good black sharp image. I'm not pressing that much, so I just repeat the pressing a couple of times. Now I want to hide my magnet at the back of my tag, so I'm gonna personalize this little piece of color cardstock with the 2 initial. I'm using the Autumn Alphabet, Autumn Alpha. There is a die set from last month. It's called, from the collection that is called Autumn Archive. Yes, that's what it is. That is beautiful. So I just add the 2 initial because this one is for a special person. It's gonna be for my mum. That is and that her initial. She loves reading as well. Now I attach my little magnet at the back with double side tape, and now I'm just gonna attach my color cardstock on top. Simple as that. So I got some double side tape, not double side tape, sorry, I used my tape runner, and I had some glue as well. And I'm just gonna center it on my tag at the back. Now put the P back because there is a little center that I want to touch. So just a little dot there. There you go. Even with the letters would be nice. There, any alphabet die, small alphabet die would work to personalize. And that's it. It come out nice. And my magnet is hidden. Time to put everything together. So I'm just gonna remove the release paper. That is quite easy actually. I don't really need my tools, I realize, so I'm just gonna do it with my hands because this one is Spellbinders foam squares. Super easy to remove the release paper. I'm gonna attach my cards on the side like that, and I want to have the banner at the back, I mean on the card and on my tag as well. So what I'm gonna do, you can see that it's gonna work, I think. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna start to glue the banner that stay in the card down with some glue. There you go. More or less in the position that I decided before. Press it down, and now I'm just gonna put the glue on. I shouldn't put in every single banner, but kind of did. I just needed till the orange one. And just match them together and press it down. That's it, very simple. So you don't, yeah, so when you put it on the card, it will just match the banner. I think it's a nice touch. Just gonna cut the excess. but I realize I need a better scissors, so I'm using my Spellbinders 9-inch Pro shear. There you go, they cut like butter, love them. And now at the back, now that it's got the magnet, I can position the message on the other side. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna attach my magnet, the other magnet, see where it goes. So center the little message that's gonna go in the card, like that. I'm using some, again, some double-sided tape to attach, to keep the magnet in place, like that. And but just to keep it there. There's no really need so much for it, because I'm gonna close the little message in I mean the magnet. I'm gonna enclose it in some foam. I'm using this foam strip from Spellbinders, like everything else. And I'm just gonna cut the strip in two. I don't need it that large. I think I'm gonna cut this part. There you go. And the magic is done already. I already removed the release paper, and now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna let it clip together, basically. I was trying to make it complicated, but what I need to do is just layer on top, let it clip together, and once they are in perfect size, just press down a little bit, and that's it. Work like a charm. Super easy to do in the end. Now time to put the rest of my book on my tag, like that. There you go. And because it's a bookmark, I decide to add a piece of ribbon, so it's easier to see from the book. Don't need to, but that is a nice touch. Again, just cut the top with the scissors, and it's done. It took a bit of time, but it was worth it, I think. I love the texture on this card, and I'm sure, hopefully, my mom will like it. And I do love that. I think I'm gonna make one for myself as well. That tag bookmark is lovely. So thank you so much for watching and for being with me here today. I'm gonna list everything that I use down below. They're affiliated links, so if you decide to purchase any of these items, I will get some. I will appreciate it. But thank you so much, and see you next time. Bye.